Today I'm going to show you how to make your truck or vehicle not smell like shit. Use this stuff right here. It's at Walmart, it's cheap, it's like $5, it's well worth it. And what you're going to do, see I got everything out here because I got so much junk in the trunk. Go inside, ooh it looks clean, but it smells like shit because you know I sweat a lot, I'm a fat ass, my titties be sweating. So you open this box up, you get this little can right here. Shake it up real good, like you're beating your meat. Okay, pop this thing off. I can't do it with one hand, that's what she said. There we go. Now it's a small little can, trust me, this little can got a big burst, baby. Okay, so we're gonna start our vehicle up. Nice and easy, start this forward up. Come on now. There we go. Now, ignore that beeping. Alright, now we're going to put it on coldest. We're going to put the AC on full blast. Oh my goodness, it's like a tornado in here. Circulate it. Now get all this shit out of here. Oh, I hear that AC working. Make sure we don't lock our keys in. Alright, make sure all the vents are open. Oh, we ain't got a vent open here. Oh god. There we go. All open. Now, pop this sucker open 15 minutes, 12:45. So 1 o'clock we should be done. Oh yeah, it's like a tornado in here. I'll pop this sucker open. Now you're gonna want to do this quick. You want to click this down, close the door real quick. So I'm gonna try not to bust my ass. Oh shit! Close the door. Yeah, let that shit work. Get that jizz all over your seat. Trust me, it's good. It smells real nice. And we're gonna get back in there. So give it about 15 minutes. That's gonna spray everywhere. Make your vehicle smell like a brand new. Ooh, I smell it out here through the AC. It smells nice. So give that about 15 minutes. Roll the windows, let it air out a little bit, and you'll be good as new. Alright, y'all, it's been exactly 15 minutes. Truck is still running. Let's see how we're doing in here. Ooh, wee, it smells good. The can's out. Ain't shit in here. Look at that, I'm pressing, ain't nothing in here. Wow, it smells good. It smells like I bought this truck right off the lot. Giving my nose an orgasm. Anyway, that's it. Make your truck not smell like shit. Buy this. It's good stuff. Peace out, y'all.